What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to restore True Tone on the iPhone 8 series, X, XR, and up. When you get a phone without the original LCD on it or screen on it and you need to get the True Tone working again, let me show you exactly what you do. First thing you're going to do is go to 3U Tools. I'll have all the links in the description for you guys. So once you're in 3U Tools, let me connect my phone for you guys. So 3U would open your phone. You will come right over here where it says View Device Details. You'll click on that. And you will come down here where it says cover board number. You copy that, and then you go back to your Qianli page. You click on Origin Color Restore without Origin LCD. You paste the cover board number you just copied, and then just delete where it says cover board number. So now once you do that, you will turn this guy back on. You will go ahead and connect your screen to the Qianli iCopy Plus. It's connected, and then you will hit repair. As you see, it's loading all that info on there. Data transmitted and write-in success. There you go. True Tone is back. That's it, guys. Please like and subscribe for more repair videos. Thank you.